Ladies and gentlemen, let us now witness the entrance of the maze, the symbol of Ladies and gentlemen, the Board of Regents Vice Chairperson and the Palawan State University's 8th President, Dr. Ramon.
Many of you meet each other in person, experiencing only a fragment of the college life that others before had enjoyed fully. Yet, despite these challenges, you persevered. You transitioned from pandemic conditions to the new
and staff of the College of Nursing and Health Sciences. I have the honor to present to you 280 candidates for graduation. Bachelor of Science in Nursing, 181. Diploma in Midwifery, 85. And Bachelor of Science in Midwifery, 14. We have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for the respective programs and are therefore eligible for graduation.
Mr. President, mabuhay. On behalf of the faculty and staff of our college, it is of great pride and privilege that I present to you the 213 candidates for graduation from the College of Hospitality and Tourism Management. Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, 102. Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management with specialized tracks in Hotel Resort and Club Management and Culinary Arts and Kitchen Management, 111. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements in this program and are therefore eligible for this graduation.
Mr. President, on behalf of the faculty and staff of the College of Criminal Justice Education, I have the honor to present to you the 121 candidates for graduation for the degree Bachelor of Science in Criminology. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements leading to graduation and therefore qualified for graduation.
Mr. President, on behalf of the faculty and staff of the College of Business and Accountancy, I have the honor to present to you 604 candidates for graduation in the following programs: field of specializations and specialized tracks. For Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, 86. Major in Human Resource Management, 109. Major in Financial Management, 264. Major in Business Economics, 50. For Bachelor of Science in Public Administration, 35. For Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship with a specialist track in Innovation and Technology, 8. A specialist track in Franchising and Trading, 10. A specialist track in Agribusiness, 3. For Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, 39. They have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements of their respective degrees and are therefore eligible for graduation.
Mr. President, On behalf of the faculty and staff of the College of Arts and Humanities, it is my honor to present to you 166 candidates for graduation under the following programs. Bachelor of Science in Social Work, 21. Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Industrial Organization track, 12. Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Clinical Psychology track, 54. Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, 40. Bachelor of Arts in Philippine Studies, 13. And Bachelor of Arts in Communication, 26. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by their respective degrees and are therefore eligible for graduation.
By virtue of the power vested in me by law and the Board of Regents, I now confer upon you the degrees you were presented by your respective deans, with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities hereto appertaining. Congratulations, Batch 2024.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a sign of our acceptance, once again let us give the graduates a big round of applause. Congratulations. Once again, Dr. Ramon M. Tapa of the Palawan State University.
After me. I, kindly state your name. Solemnly pledge allegiance to my alma mater, Palawan State University. In appreciation for the development opportunities afforded me as its graduate, I shall always strive to promote, advance, advocate, and uphold the core values and traditions of my alma mater with integrity, dignity, compassion, dedication, and exemplary character. I pledge to exemplify these ideals in the service of my fellow men and country, to bring honor, respect, and pride to my alma mater. So help me God. Naka-PS yung kapi tayo.
Thank you so much. University Camp.
Sons and daughters.
Palawan State University's name.